What's up, guys? I just wanted to make a very quick trade recap video for crude oil. It was a short trade that I took yesterday. It was about a 2.7R risk to reward. It netted me about 665, with commissions. So I'll go more in depth on my confirmations and, some mistakes I made because I did exit my full position a bit too early. So that kind of messed up my risk to reward. The main level I was looking at was 75.50 just because it's been acting as support and resistance really nicely recently. And so on higher time frames, we did have this 77 level that was broken, with momentum. So I'm not really looking for longs, kind of just lower quality. We have all this overhead supply. Weekly time frames still making lower highs, lower lows. So primarily, I'm just interested in shorting. So Monday we did break above the level and tried holding as support, and we retested. I can talk more about this one in detail in like another video, but I ended up shorting this, and that played out really well as well. So for Tuesday, my confirmations to really get short was we were at the key level bat. We were there retesting again. 30-minute supply was formed on Monday as well, plus a 618 retracement. So from Monday's highs to Tuesday's pre-market, and yeah. So for confirmations, I don't really wait for a price to close or engulfing and all that stuff, just because it skews my risk reward way too much. So I thought about more of just having. I usually have limit orders just at the level, and I was looking at S&P 500 and Nasdaq a bit more at that current moment, so I kind of missed my ideal entry, so I did enter a bit lower. So my average was about 75.32. I did enter on this candle with a pretty tight stop, so it was just right at the 30-minute supply, so at 57. And so my targets were Monday support, so just like um, the 60 area, is acting as resistance in pre-market as well. So I was looking to scale at least like 30% of my position there. So I did play 10 contracts. So I played the micros. So I was gonna scale out 3 contracts on first take profit, and then the rest at this 74 psychological plus this trend line support. So when we first got to the first take profit level, I kind of did scale out a bit more. I scaled out about 50% in the 60 area, and then started just getting out, really early on the rest. So I kind of took a glance at my P&L, and it kind of messed me up psychologically. And I was thinking about, just locking in my profits and calling it a day. So, and that kind of messed me up. So, but this trade worked out really well. But if you have any questions or ever want to, exchange ideas and all that stuff, feel free to contact me anytime.